Can we make this code more shorter? This is just a simple route, and I'm passing a function in stack controller and returning a view, which works fine. But do you know, if your a method or a function has just one statement and returning something, then you can make this more shorter. We can do this using /operator, you can call it, which is something like this. And then we remove, as you can see, no errors. And if I refresh here, as you can see, it works fine. So this is the /operator, and we can use this to make our code more shorter. Only if your method is returning just one statement and has just one statement like this. As you can see here, we are just returning view. So instead of this, we can make it more shorter using the /operator in Laravel. And if I push again, as you can see, it works fine.